how to leave a review in Whatnot. So you can go ahead to your preferred browser and then search for Whatnot. Else you can go to your App Store or Play Store and then download Whatnot. You can do it in there as well. Whatnot. So once you find out Whatnot, so yeah, simply go ahead, download the app, open the app, and then in order to review, first of all you'll have to make sure you have a verified account. So make sure you have a verified account. And for why do you need account is that you'll have to make a purchase in order to review your order or put a review about your purchases. So go ahead and then purchase any of the item you must have purchased. Now in your activity section, you can go to your activity, and in purchases section you can see different of the purchases. You can see pending review section. So in your pending review section or all section, you will be able to find your purchases or your order, where you can simply go ahead and get a text area section where you will have to, or you can simply enter your review. So you can simply type your review in the text area. Also you'll get a star rating option where you can simply rate the order as well, and then your feedback will be sent to the seller. So that's how you do it. You'll have to create an account, of course, and then you must make sure you will have a better, you'll have a purchased item, and you will have to be a verified buyer as well. So you can become a verified buyer by submitting photo of your ID. So that's much how you purchase your item and how you leave a review and whatnot. So hopefully this helps. Thank you.